Hello kids, welcome back to our Kids Vids. So, how are you all? So, today you are exciting because we are going to learn birds' name. You can learn birds' name.
Bird's name.
So, let's start. Parrot,
Parrot.
pigeon,
Pigeon.
sparrow,
Sparrow.
eagle,
Eagle.
owl,
Owl.
peacock,
Peacock.
swan,
Swan.
duck,
Duck.
crow,
Crow.
penguin,
Penguin.
ostrich,
Ostrich.
vulture,
Vulture.
seagull,
Seagull.
flamingo,
Flamingo.
kiwi,
Kiwi.
crane,
Crane.
dove,
Dove.
hummingbird,
Hummingbird.
woodpecker,
Woodpecker.
hornbill,
Hornbill.
hen,
Hen.
turkey,
Turkey.
albatross,
Albatross.
kingfisher,
Kingfisher.
quail.
Quail.
Thanks for learning. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching, kids. Hope you like it. Then like, share and subscribe our channel for more fun learning videos. Bye bye.